Homepage is ready. Let's take a look at this. Open. Let's take a look. Is it really? People aren't really care about emails. It's like I know they do, but they don't. Like emails isn't like the number one thing that people reach out for. Too bad we don't. Fathom we can't talk without any of the transcriptions. It's one of the biggest things. We should probably add to text. And just put something there, you know. So, what's up, Tom? Tom's in the house. Basically, just kind of vibe coding a new simple website. I want to change the text. Brainstorm some better text. Like people don't really care about the emails, like and content creation. They care. They care more about get a clear step-by-step blueprint to maximize AI in your business for marketing, sales, lead generation, and social media to scale faster and dominate your market in 2026, even if you never used AI or you're clueless with technology. Something like that is the biggest thing. And I want you to scan this page to get some sales copy and then give me new text for the new page if it's relevant, but I think it is. And I think you could do better on the sales copy, and that's why. So now give me a list of changes to make. Okay, we're vibe coding a brand new website. I think it could do better. So what you guys don't see is also let me taking a download of the, let's see, image. So I'm downloading the entire website, feeding it to GenSpark, and having GenSpark rebuild the website. Or look at the strategy. So you have two AI tools. One is doing the strategy and one is doing the building, and they should not be the same technically. Well, I don't think so. So I have GenSpark doing the strategy. He's doing the copywriting, the text, like what's the funnel, what's the website that we're actually building. And then on the other side, I have Claude Code, which is right here. Claude Code, VS Code, nothing fancy. You could do it with anyone, it really doesn't matter. And basically from here, we're just rebuilding, vibe coding a brand new website. Nibi, good to see you. And now that we're going to vibe code a brand new website, then we're going to post it online, and then I need to respond to a lot of the DMs, for example. VS instead of CS command line. If you're like a software developer, recommend. Nibi. Bungalators. What does it say? Right out. Oh my god, burnt peanut is straight. That's a whole different addiction. You need yourself a little burnt peanut a day will keep the doctor away. It's facts. Straight facts. So now I have him. I'm just going to say implement these changes. Implement these changes first plan, new changes to make, so implement these changes and then go ahead and I'll confirm it, I'll let you start building. I'm trying to get in the habit of moving into planning mode, building mode, planning mode, building mode, planning mode, building mode, instead of just, hey, go build, and then go build, and then go build. Claude's like, I don't know what we're doing, but sure, go build. He doesn't see the cathedral, and he's like, I'm just like, put a brick here, put a brick there, put a brick here. And he doesn't know what the cathedral is, like what we're trying to build, the magnificent la 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 la. Anyways, so that's going to come from GenSpark. By the way, we just finished day 3 of the GenSpark Mastery course. We got into vibe coding today. We're going to have more fun with vibe coding next week with Claude and VS Code inside the community. So Nebeat, I look forward to see Nebneat. I got to say your name right. I look forward to seeing you in there. Artistic Tella, I just want to make sure I pronounce your name right. Make sure you're clear every time a new feature is done. It starts hallucinating if you don't. That is an excellent tip. You know what? Since you added value, I love when people add value and share, because then I want to pin your comment. And that is a great tip, is to hit / there's a couple commands in here. Let's hang out. Let me move me down. You don't need to see me all the time. Okay, cool. Actually, there's a lot of headway. Hold on. Let me. Better. Okay, so what I want to show you guys is, I can't zoom in. I can. Cloud Code. Okay, Cloud Code, VS Code. There's a couple commands here. Log out, log in, log out. Log in is one where you could log out and then log in, and then because you could get multiple Claude subscriptions instead of like one $100 subscription, get like 4 $20 subscription, and it's only $80 and you have 4 times the capacity. So login is one. Also remember to turn on thinking mode. So / think on Claude. This is all Claude commands in VS Code. In command line, you have a lot more commands. Like, not gonna lie, you have a lot more. And by the way, instead of thinking, okay, I'm just kind of making sure. I'm going through, I love the checklist. Love me some good checklist right now. So this is Cloud Code. So right now he's updating my website. We're completely rebuilding my website, new makeover, basically. And we're going to do that in less than an hour. And we're going to have Cloud Code vibe code the website, and then we'll get it hosted for, guess how much? $3 a month. Host your website, vibe code beautiful websites. Vibe code beautiful websites, just like this, no effort. And it only costs $3 a month to put this online. And you can have unlimited if you want to go crazy. Love seeing videos like this while accepting Claude. It's like, accept Claude into your life and he will bless you with websites. He will bless you with apps. Have you guys, some of you have not seen the content automation app. You want to get into vibe coding? This is what you want to get to, vibe coding. Sure, building websites, okay, fun, yeah, so what? Vibe coding content automation apps, so it automates your entire content. These are like, this gets kind of silly. We were doing some test videos. Let's see, let's click on this.
So you know how everyone's freaking out about AI taking their jobs? Well, guess what? Some people are making a ton of money helping businesses use AI. Seriously, these AI consultants are pulling in $5,000 to $15,000 per client. Why? Because companies need someone who gets both business stuff and AI magic. They're not tech wizards, they're just bridge builders. They learn how to automate emails, create content faster, and fix workflows with AI. And you can learn this too, even with zero tech background. This isn't just some fleeting trend. Businesses are desperate for these skills right now. Imagine building a skill set that pays you well for years. If you're ready to stop worrying and start earning, check out the link in my bio. I'll show you exactly how to become one of these in-demand AI consultants. Let's go.
Didn't get on camera, didn't edit. it pumps out a video like this every 10 minutes. Granted, the B-roll is pretty outrageous. We were having fun with the B-roll. We've made some significant upgrades. So you could custom code vibe code tools like this. If you're a member in my one-on-one coaching program, I give you this content automation app. This allows you to pump out videos like that, like you just saw. By the way, I need to keep that open
So you know how everyone's freaking
because more people are going to want to see, so I'll keep that open. You could pump out videos like this for like, I think it's roughly like 60, 70 cents a video. And then every video takes about 10 minutes to pump out. So 10 minutes, and you just pump in an idea. Miles, nice to see you too. Good to see each and every one of you. We've got Artistic Tea. We've got Larry. Welcome to the chat. We have, if I can expand this, QQQ, Nurse, Joaquin, SOM, The Monolith, Ryan, Jamie, Wizalot, Reiki, and Jan. Good to see each and every one of you. How much of the API cost? Roughly like 60 cents per video to generate. Like, so every video is roughly 60 cents to generate a 40-second video, give or take. I need to vibe code a cost estimator in it so you can kind of see how much you're burning in there, which will be great. Oh, by the way, we're vibe coding a website too. Do you create a software as a service? No, I'm not a software. More I just give it to my clients, help set it up, and then they're off to the races. So if you want to book a one-on-one, definitely link in the bio, and I could give you this app in our first session. You can have this app in the first session of our one-on-one coaching. So, and then you get lifetime software. You just hook up your own APIs. There's no subscription. No subscription. I know, wild for people who are like, what? You vibe coded the ultimate content automation app and there's no subscription? I know. Crazy. So here we are just checking out a website. We're just finishing up get the exact AI blueprint to 3x your leads, close more sales, and dominate your market in 2026. We can't say 3x per se, but we can say grow. Clear step-by-step system to automate your marketing, sales, and lead generation so you can scale faster than your competitors ever before. If you've never used AI, you're clueless. Nice. Your competitors are using AI to steal market share right now. Oh, you bet they are. Oh, yeah. Are you losing leads faster to competitors while you're manually following up? AI-powered competitor. I kind of wish those could be a little, like in white, would be great. So on the page under the text under your competitors are using AI right now, the specific text such as while you're manually following up, no consistent lead flow means feast, and your business is capped at your personal capacity. Like those three things, that gray text, we just need to change to white. And then we can't say 2x your leads at the very top, but we could say grow your leads. And instead of grow your leads, just say automate your marketing. That's easier. Automate your marketing, close your sales, and dominate your market in 2026. To automate your marketing sales, remove lead generation from the top and just say, well, hold on. Actually, do leave that. Leave that in. Okay. Very nice, very nice. AI blueprint, Dr. AI has that you'll master the AI lead generation, high ticket sales system, marketing that scales without you, 24/7 client acquisition, build your first automation in. Well, probably have to remove that. Your business. What's the call to action on this page? Okay, here's the free blueprint. Get the custom roadmap or join the academy. Okay, I like that. Okay. So at the bottom, change the academy. The price is $97 a month. Then For the custom AI domination roadmap, I want you to put some text that's like that is clear that it's one-on-one, because that's the value. They want me to literally look at their business. So one-on-one AI strategy session that comes like with the roadmap and their recording and the custom blueprint and tool recommendations, AI tool recommendations, AI automations, digital avatar, stuff like that. Making a wish list of changes. The way Cloud Code make me sit for hours, I can't count, degrade my back. I know. I can't type, can't spell. My legs are weakening, all because more AI. What's up, G Rivera? We're updating my website right now. So we're just vibe coding a website. It's like the main thing. So I figure I do a show and tell so you guys can see how I'm using Claude to basically update this. And then for the strategy session, we just need to use this link. Copy link, okay. And then for the one-on-one strategy session, for the roadmap, for that button, use this TidyCal link. Boom, he's off. Okay. Sorry if it just got messy. I was just closing tabs. I don't have many tabs to like keep things super lean and resourceful for everything. So, all right, now we're on version 2 of the website. Real entrepreneurs use AI to dominate their markets. Ooh, are you a real entrepreneur using AI to dominate your market? Your voice and videos. I know. If I change anything tabs, it's going to lag. I'm like trying to... Let me close some stuff out. We'll look at the content automation later. Closing some tabs while Claude says he's done. Dang, he's fast. Psh. All those changes, he's like, boom. Are you using Stripe for payments? Yes. Very simple. Stripe just integrates with everything. Very, very easy. Okay, so now if I refresh this, book your one-on-one session, goes to the TidyCal. Nice. So now we got interactivity. So mainly, and it was because honestly, a lot of people were asking for my one-on-one sessions. So I was like, okay, let me put it on the website. So that way you don't have to join the community. You could just book a one-on-one session with me, just to make it super easy. So, and then if you want to join the community, that's there. Private community, this 140 members. Yo, we're at 155 members. We just finished she's like, finally, woo woo. As an introvert, I appreciate that. Yeah, because most people, it's like some people are like, there's the community, which is great, in classes and all, but some people are like, which is this, but after talking to a lot of people, they're like, look, can I just book you for the one-on-one sessions? We can focus on what we need to focus on. Show me what tools to use, what subscriptions to cancel for tools I don't need, how to use said tools to automate my content, streamline my sales, improve my website, improve my automation or follow-up or CRM or ads or wherever you are. Because mostly it's like marketing and AI on all. I mean, AI automation is so broad, but it's like just helping you wherever you're. It could be a custom GPT that could change, like save you 10, 20 hours a week. So that's basically this, is like save get me personally looking at your business, and I'll build you a custom AI automation. Yes, this is I build for you. So there's that. That makes it easy. It's not live yet, so hold on. You guys are seeing me rebuild a website in real time. So this is the process. If you're like, yay, I want to rebuild my website, this is the process. Step one, I go to Claude, or I open VS Code, technically, is step one. So in VS Code, I have a folder that has all websites. Each one of these, the orange, is websites, basically. Hold on, I think Monica, nice. One of my members had a issue with their setup, so I recorded a custom video. I need to get into Loom. I think I need. Do you guys know that there's an alternative to Loom? Because now I'm just sending Loom videos to members to be like, oh, here's how to troubleshoot your problem. Here's how to set up to do. There's like TikTok Studios said I help with the tech setup, so you don't have to be a tech expert, basically. Anyways, back to how to update your website. VS Code, there's a folder with files, HTML files. Each HTML file is a different page on your website. This is my whole website. Each one of these is one of the pages. That's all. I have an archive folder, archive websites. These are archive pages. That's the graveyard, basically. So that's where the graveyard is. And then that's it from here now. And then there's an extension called Live Server. Live Server, if you right click on the file, it's a live server. It allows you to view your website in real time. But right now, this is just on my computer. It's not on the web yet. So, ooh, one-on-one client is hitting me up. Roz, sorry, only members can jump on the call. Cool tools and setup. Nice. This is just my workflow of how I vibe code to update my website using Claude Code. Just kind of sharing my workflow. I want to update my website with new links, new button, new messaging. Messaging is probably the most important, like marketing, the copywriting. Why not use Anti-Gravity? There's $20 plan, is very generous with 5 hours of free time. So it's the difference between, like, what would be the best analogy? Like, Anti-Gravity is like driving a Tesla, like real nice, real fast. Claude is like driving a Ferrari, like stupidly fast, like stupid fast, and just will get you there, like boom, like so. Anyone other models than Claude? The only reason why everyone loves Claude is because Claude will 80 to 90% get what you requested done. Everywhere else, you gotta prompt more, you gotta ask again, you gotta be like, fix this, you gotta go back, you missed a button and stuff like that. So that's why Claude is like now he's not the cheapest, I mean, but $20 subscription. So you could do the same thing with VS Code. You could do Anti-Gravity. Same thing I'm doing, you could do the same thing in Anti-Gravity. I just rock VS Code with Claude and he's crushing it. Oh my gosh. So never think it's the best tools. That's a big thing. That's a misperception. It's never the best tools unless it's free. If it's free, forget about it. Not happening. It has to be paid tools. But in the paid tool arena, like, go deep on the tools. I'd rather you be like really good at the tools and have a lot of practice time than like jump to the next one to be like, oh, they say this is the best one, I guess I got to jump to this one, and you got to start over your learning curve, and then you got to spend the next 60 days to relearn a whole new app. Just go deep. I'm like month 3 now in Claude. No, month 2. I started in December, so I'm only 2 months into Claude, or month and a half, give or take, into Claude. So, but I'm loving it. It's great. I'm addicted. He's building the website and the Matrix app. Like, he's built the most advanced content automation app that pumps out videos like this in minutes, and then he does websites. And I can switch between any one of these in VS Code. It's the only difference. We're kind of just sharing the workflow. Alrighty then. How do I like this? I think I want to add probably some images, or probably a VSL. But I like this. I already know what you need. Book a one-on-one session. Can we emphasize on the very front of the page at the very top, instead of get a free blueprint, I wanted you to switch around the text. That button should be the book the one-on-one session, and then flip it so the get your free blueprint down should be the sentence in gray down below where you have like already know what you need. That should be like kind of switched. GitHub, yes, definitely post things on GitHub. We have, if you're on the private club, only on my one-on-one clients, you're getting the private repo for this. So you get the instant updates whenever I update the content automation app. So we just pushed this to GitHub, and now we have a few members right now that have access to it. And then I tell them, just check for updates in the morning. That's all. That's all you have to do. So, because every night, at least like maybe tonight, I'm just going to vibe code more content or vibe code new features because I'm using it. It's actually working. It's bringing in leads. It's actually, which is actually so dope. I've already grown. Now I'm growing my Instagram at like, it's like almost 500 new subscribers a week, give or take, just from posting more volume consistently. So we're just in 1 week, just trying to like slowly build up the content machine so that we can pump out more content effortlessly. And welcome. Good to see everyone. We've got a lot of new faces. Good to see everyone today. Thank you so much for everyone showing up to today's office hour session. We did vibe coding. I'm more excited. You guys are going to learn this like week 3. So we finished week 1. You guys are going to learn this stuff in week 3. And if you want to contribute, you will get the GitHub repo. Okay, so we're also vibe coding a website. Ta-da! See, remember, all we did was just ask it to. This is all we're doing. I'm just voice to text to Claude. I'm making a laundry list, a wish list. I want this changed. I want this changed. I'm just like high level. You're not seeing me write any code, right? No coding. Okay, right here. No coding. We are not coding at all. But now, pretty chill. So I'm just reviewing. It may take like 5 or 6 versions. Tom, send me a direct message in Circle with your GitHub email and just say add to content automation. I just have to manually add you. If you're a member in the community, send me a direct message with the email of your GitHub account and just say share content automation app and you get this guy. This is dope. Wait. You guys haven't seen the update. Wait. Because we've been updating. It's really dope. I get your feedback, and based on your feedback, you're like, oh, I wish you could do this. I'm like, hang on a moment. Boop, 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 boop. 5 minutes later, Claude did an update. I'm like, there you go. It's like instant update of like feedback. So feedback from the community helps to improve the app for not just us, but for all members. And then as well, too, you can, from the GitHub, you could remix it. Like if you have Cloud Code skills or want to remix your home feature, you could fork it and remix it and do your own thing. It's like NAN open source if you want to think about it like it. Like you could download NAN and self-host it. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm giving you the GitHub repo so that you could download and self-host. You just hook up. It seems like a lot. It's not really, but 8 API keys, it's not that much. Like honestly, videos are like 60 cents. We've done a lot to like reduce the cost, even on like what models to use. So we're slowly getting into optimizing and stuff. So again, this is just week 1 of this app and it's growing. So Tom's going to get the GitHub. G Rivera, oops, sent too soon. The marketing app for the changes. Do I need Claude and the API? You will need Claude Code for this. You could do it in like anti-gravity if that's not. You just need some integrative development environment. It could be Cursor, it could be VS Code, could be anti-gravity. Really doesn't matter. Like some integrative development environment because you're learning to be developers. Somewhere where you could just, and then I'll give you the GitHub repo. It's private, and then from there you'll be able to give the repo URL to Claude and just say Claude install. And Claude will pull it down, he'll install it, and then it works for any business because you can now customize it with a business profile. This is pretty dope. Now you have a business profile that you could customize any business. And you just take a screenshot, give it to ChatGPT, say fill this out for me, and you just copy paste. Who's your target audience? What's your business name? What's your call to action? Who's your avatar, your host? What kind of thumbnail outfit style do you like to wear for thumbnails? What's your brand voice? Do you want to be friendly, informative? Um, what product or services do you sell? What is your niche or industry? All of these are variables that go into the prompts for the writing, and then for the avatar, and then for a lot of the prompting to generate image for B-roll, A-roll, for the whole video basically. So that I'm excited. And then you can now customize different B-roll. You can like increase models for like we've optimized it for cost, but you can increase the model, like choose other models. It will increase the cost a little, but it will increase the quality, of course. And then everything is custom. You could change the prompts for anything that any of the stages. You could change it for the script writer, you could change it for the captions. So these are your social media. It does all the channels. So all the channel caption, it generates all those. So these are, so you could come in, basically I'm just sharing, you could customize it. All that you want for your business. It now has auto mode. So you could run it manually one at a time to test it out to like, I recommend manual because it does each stage, like generates the avatar, generates the voice, generates the thumbnail. That way you could fine tune the prompts because you may have to do it like 3 or 4 times to like nail in. Sometimes I'm there like 7 to 10 times to like fine tune the prompt to be like, I want it like this, add a new rule. But once it's dialed in after like maybe 10 like trial, because that's all it is you're just fine tuning it. After that, then you could just switch it into auto mode and all you do is either paste the article, text, block, whatever you want. You could paste it in here. You can choose, is it top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel? This right here will actually turn your content into a sales machine. This is how you systematically move people from stranger to purchaser to buyer to first client, top, middle, bottom of funnel, or else you're just posting random content basically. This rewrites the scripts and they will hard sell for you. That's the crazy thing. And then if you want to be lazy, so pretty cool. Just go grab 5 or 6 URLs of articles and it will go and scrape the articles. So you just paste boop, 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 5 articles and then just click, do you want them top, middle, bottom? And then you just click add and it will go to those websites. It will scrape the entire website and then it will start the whole process to kind of like go through and generate the whole video file. So speaking of which, I should have him working on stuff behind the scenes, but right now I want to finish. I'm almost done with the website. Uh, Free blueprint, one-on-one strategy session, join the community. I know my rule, gonna call you when you're off. Definitely. Be done in about a little less than an hour. Almost done. We're just vibe coding here. And then I need the login. I need you to add the login at the very top right hand corner. And when it shrinks on mobile, can you, on the top navigation bar, can you put like 3 vertical lines to and then hide the things that they could put underneath, just to expand on mobile? Cool. And then one last thing, I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm vibe coding and fluing again. David. I know, the sickness is gone. Are you down with the sickness? You're like, yo, pump me full of medication. Oops. He's like working on stuff. So now I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this, feed it to GenSpark, see if GenSpark has any recommendations for changes. I gotta wait till Claude is like finished. Claude is not done yet. He's scheming, frolicking, like bro. He's like done, nice. Okay, so now let's take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Not for you, but this is a app called Go Full Page. There you go. Go Full Page allows you to download your entire screenshot of it. So here, download. That way I could give it to GenSpark. Give me feedback and a list of changes to make, and give me a score of how close it is and what we need to do to make it a 10 out of 10. Have it rated. Is it a 5 out of 10, 4 out of 10? What could make this a 10 out of 10? What would make this a 20 out of 20? So, very nice. Your competitors are already using AI. Don't get left behind. Dun dun. Think like Law and Order. Dun dun. Or no, better yet is from Shark Tank. Dun 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 dun. Are you using AI? I wonder what the TED Talk will be for this. That would be quite amusing. Actually, what will be an infomercial of this? Because we could put some content in the automation right now. So, GenSpark. Hold on, it's gonna lag. Because you guys want to see the content automation app work, right? Right? You're like, John, law talk, show me it works. Show me. I just shot myself in the foot from the demo guys. Now it's not gonna work. Like guaranteed. Nah, I can't show you now. It's definitely. I jinxed myself. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna get some content. 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 Hold on, I'm almost getting it. One day. Where's the content script that we were working on yesterday? Okay, so is he still done? Make sure everything works. Let's test it out. Yep. Yep, there we go. That's exactly what I wanted. It's the little things, you know? I do need a VSL. But for right now, we're going to upload it with a photo just to be quick and fast. We need a thumbnail. And we need to go to a thumbnail. Coach Samuel, AI plus lifestyle. Nice. I think I'm going to be lazy. And just pick an existing one. Dr. AI is in that. Is in this. Wait. Is this Manus? No, this is GenSpark. Basically. Well, we do have some GenSpark, but right now I need a really good thumbnail. And we have some. I think I could get something like this. don't know if I had a video sales letter for the one-on-one stuff. You guys are like, you have an AI avatar, you should have your avatar created. And I'm like, kinda yes. I just need a bad. I'm just gonna go to GenSpark. You're gonna see me Photoshop something here right now. Okay. Just gonna keep it simple. I want you to create a 16 by 9 thumbnail that goes for the very top of the home page for this. That matches. This is the top of the fold of the home page for the website. Give me the prompts and scripts for a video sales letter to put on the home page for this website. I want it to be in black and gold in my brand colors. Explains the offer, call to action. No more than 2 minutes. Or short, or whatever necessary to go through. Do I have this in a hub? Hold on. We're just gonna rock with it. Just rock with it. We're gonna have him create the presentation right now. We're just going to use this one GenSpark conversation for everything. For the website audit, for the image, for the thumbnail. And I was going to do a thumbnail, but spend the 10 minutes, record a VSL. It's not going to take any extra effort. Upload it with the nice thumbnails. Could do a lot. Can do a very lot. Dang, he really just... This is why you want AI to audit your website. Take a screenshot of your website, give it to AI, and have it audit your website, because we went from a 3 out of 10 to a 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Just improves the website. Cool. Now give me the scripts. Nice. Short. I don't need all that. Use Nano Banana Pro to create the prompts and also the images for this presentation. Use black and gold as my color palette. Very interesting. Well, now we're just doing strategy. Now we're just kind of... Because if you're going to push the website to like the web, it's like, just put a video sales letter there. It actually does a lot to actually increase conversions. You'd be surprised. Simple 2-minute video sales letter. I could embed AI. Do I have an 11 Labs subscription? No. Do I have a HeyGen subscription? Actually, no. Actually, never mind. Because I can embed HeyGen, but I'm like, nah. Nah. See, this is why I like Nano Banana Pro, because right here makes it so easy to basically batch create prompts and then batch create images. Hmm. I'm not really happy with this. And the reason why is because we're not in a hub. Or were we in the hub? Oh, we were, okay. Mm. Use your knowledge file about the marketing material to improve this presentation. I know you could do better. It's like, come on, you could do better. What's up, Tom? Welcome back. Basically finishing putting together. Does this also have any of the testimonials? Oh, where's all the... Go through the previous files and add all the Wistia videos for the testimonials to the page to create a section for testimonials. Well, yeah, of course. Little feet, fluffy tails. Is Claude better than ChatGPT for YouTube scripts? Oh, for writing, yeah. Like for writing scripts, like say for example, I have for the content automation app, his scripts are written using. Is that Francis? Francis? Francis, I will definitely call you back. I see. Yeah, I just saw your missed call, Francis, too. That's funny. Hi, Francis. I'm Jonathan Nicunia. Pleasure to meet you. I live stream talk about AI. I will definitely call you back right after this. I'm pretty close to. I just live stream this and then also on YouTube. And I definitely right after this, I'm gonna give you a call back. I got your missed call, and we're kind of showing for. So this is my avatar that's creates content. Let's see.
Out about AI taking their jobs. Well, guess what? Some people are making a ton of money helping businesses use AI. Seriously, these AI consultants.
So his whole voice is written using Claude. So I say Claude is better for writing scripts, especially if you do YouTube or for AI, something like that. So this piece of content, stuff like this, 40-second videos, talking head avatar, like videos like this,
Are pulling in $5,000 to $15,000 per client. Why?
is completely automated using this app. So this is an app called, well, it's actually just vibe coded using Claude Code. So it's a custom app. So this app publishes basically a video like that. We're getting ready to test them right now. This is a custom that I give it to members in my one-on-one coaching. So he completely pumps out videos like that around 60 cents a video. And then he could pump them out. Roughly takes about 10 minutes to pump out a video one at a time. And then that way you don't have to get on camera. You don't have to memorize the script. You don't have to do video editing. You don't even have to memorize. You don't even have to read some of the articles. You just dump the content in and it automatically just creates the content. So all you do is just paste the URLs right there. It will go fetch the content, write the scripts in your brand voice, generate that content, and publish across 6 social media channels all at the same time so that you could publish multiple times a day. And then it writes this is one of the pieces of content. It writes the entire script. So this is the script for your talking avatar. You could have any avatar, literally. You can pick any avatar. It could be you, could be someone else. It, yeah, it could be, doesn't have to, they don't have to exist. And then from there, it writes the script using Claude. Then for every social media channel, it will write a custom description for YouTube, for TikTok, for Facebook. Oh, I can't say these names, but for these right here. And each one is custom for all of that. And you're not doing anything. You're just dump it, just give it to the app and it will just produce it. So it does all of this automatically. So this, and now we're kind of just getting feedback. Right now we're updating our website using Claude Code. So Claude Code is vibe coding a custom new website for us. So this will be live in 10 minutes. We're almost done. And right now he did all the text, all the buttons work. If I move it, it also has like the right interactivity. Perfect. And at least for me, what I want to take it to the next step, should always add a video sales letter to your website. All the buttons work, which is perfect. Oh, we need the lead magnet form. I need to get that. Actually, I'll just ask him. Go through some of the lead magnets and look for the kit lead magnet JavaScript to add that and just embed that. We just need the email. I don't need the first name. And just embed that for the lead magnet. And can you make the lead magnet like just like its own like banner at the very top to keep it like very simple? Like right at the very bottom where it says like trusted by 140 entrepreneurs or 25 years, like right there, I want you to say like free email toolkit, just right there. That's all. So it's right on the top of the folds. And they just need put their name and email and then submit and they get a free kit and then just do a little confirmation. Just do a little confirmation. We don't need to redirect them anywhere basically for this. So that is voice to text. Also, no typing. So I don't have to, no more typing. So voice to text, and we just dump that whole wish list of changes. And so we're iteratively going through and just making some changes. Now, that's part one, so that's almost done. Next is a video sales letter. We need a video sales letter here. And so we're not going to create the script. We're not going to create the presentation slide. GenSpark. GenSpark is going to do all of that for us. Not going to lie, wasn't happy with the first version. And now he's got a better script. Now I'm just looking over the video sales letter for the script. For the path and for this, don't mention the free gift. They could just see that down below. Well, actually, never mind. Actually, let's just keep it. Let's create the slides. That's good enough. I want you to create the slides using Nano Banana Pro and in my brand colors, which is black and gold. Welcome, Francis. I live stream every single day. All my stuff is on my YouTube channel for replays, and I'm basically showing, there we go. I'm just showing my workflow of how I use AI tools, Claude Code, GenSpark, a little ChatGPT. He's in the background for troubleshooting. And so Claude here, Claude is rebuilding my website or building all my websites. So I got two agents we're working with. One agent is building the website, that's Claude Code, and they have another agent, GenSpark, who's basically creating the presentation slides and writing the script. So I'll have the script, the slides, and the slides will be beautiful. And right now, Claude is just finishing updating my website. You're not seeing me write any code. I haven't gotten like PowerPoint and started typing presentations. You didn't see me bring out a document and start typing a script from scratch. Automated. All using these tools. So he's done with that. Let's take a look at the website and see how do we like it. Get the exactly automated your marketing closure and dominate. This looks good. This looks good. Ooh, free AI toolkit. Okay. It's not the end of the world, but can we say join my newsletter? For the call to action for it, can we make them like when it stretches out? And actually, let's just make this a new section down below. That way, the top of the fold just hard sells the one-on-one coaching. And then down below, we'll create an image to put on like the left side. And then on the right side is the email opt-in. So go ahead and make that change. And then I could put an image of like the kit that they get. And then also, yeah, that'll work out. Ricardo says, yo, how do I learn all of this? Join the community. Link is in the chat. $97 a month for my community. We have we have 30 courses now. We have oh, it's lagging. Oh, it's lagging. There you go. Sorry. Whenever my agents are working or I open a tab, it lags hard. So I apologize for that. Coder Dude David, welcome to the chat. Good to see you. Hope everything went well today. And so here, if you want to learn, join the AI community. We are starting a 5-week program, live classes, and we're teaching GenSpark, vibe coding. This whole week we did GenSpark agents. So no more documents, no more presentations. All of those type of stuff is automated. And now it's just teaching the most powerful tools, how to use them in your business, how to save you 10 plus hours a week. And the tools, no experience. You don't need any coding experience. You don't need to be tech savvy. All of this stuff is very easy to use. We just show you how. And then you get to see all the stuff I do. That's what I do. That's teaching. So right now I'm just updating the website because some people want to book one-on-one with me. So I didn't have that feature available on my website. So I'm just going to vibe code that new feature for one-on-one sessions. Because some people are like, yeah, I don't want to join the community. I like one-on-one. I like a person to show me exactly to what to click, what to do, what to subscribe to, how to use, how to get like, instead of the class environment. So I was like, okay, let me offer that. So feedback. So right now Claude is updating the website. So I don't have to hire a developer. I don't have to deal with Squarespace, Wix, WordPress. I don't have to deal with any of that. The website only costs like $3 a month to host. And I can host 3 different websites with unlimited landing pages. Okay, cool. Let's take a look. I like that. I like that. Very nice. We're going to add an image right here. And then we have that. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so let me add an image there. You guys are gonna laugh at. You're gonna trip on this. I want you. Well, 2 things. One, I want you to recreate the 1, 2, 3, 4th, the last slide. By the way, these slides kind of suck. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I want like a really nice graphic and then some of the text as well too. Just having Blaster, just a huge wall of text, is just not interesting to look at. So redo these, and then redo the script, and then also make sure the price going forward is $97 a month for that, for the Academy. And then really focus on my ICP and their pain points, because what we're offering here is just they get the introduction to the one-on-one so that they get their answers and know exactly how to leverage AI and automation to get more leads, get more sales, and grow their business and work less. Well, work less and automate their business. Let's put this in. So share this. So there we go. Don't be afraid to disagree with AI is basically what I want to share here. Like AI, got a lot of slides. There we go. And then we got to create a infographic here. So he's going to create new slides. He's like, oh, you're absolutely right. Hell yeah, I'm right. Like, don't be afraid to disagree with AI and be like, no, 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 this is what we should do. And if the like, don't be afraid to burn like edits. Like I know, like it's gonna take me 3 to 7 tries until I'm really happy with the images. Then I'm like, dialed in. I'm happy. But if you notice, I'm not creating any of the slides. So no need for Gamma, cancel that subscription. No need for PowerPoint or any Microsoft PowerPoint documents, cancel that subscription. And keep ChatGPT if you guys have it. I'd keep him. I'd get me some Nano Banana because Nano Banana is amazing for it. Now we're talking. It's a little overwhelming, but it would do for right now. It's enough. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and so this will be good enough. It's just a 2 minute PowerPoint slide that I just need to talk over. But I like this. Ooh, now see how good we're getting? Are you struggling with the manual grind, doing everything manually in your business, unable to log into your computer, 48 tabs, can't find passwords, and you're seeing entrepreneurs get ahead and use AI to save time, but you're using the same prompts, but they're getting ahead and doing something different? How can I leverage all the benefit that AI offers, such as automation? Automate your marketing, automate your email, automate all the boring things in your business so that your business runs on autopilot. Much better, right? I like that. Like, very cool. We can't guarantee performance results. Ooh, not gonna lie, that looks really good. Uh, for the results and outcomes, I could guarantee I'll save 10 to 20 hours a week and save time through automation to automate their marketing sales. And then the guarantee is a 30-day guarantee. And then also for slide 5, the book is great. Can we get just, I want to see like a mock up of like a laptop, some files, some PDF guides, some videos. Like, I want to see a mock up of that. And I want that one to, yeah, because I don't need the text for the get your free marketing. I have that text separate. So I just need the image for that mock up. So recreate me, new slides. This will burn a lot of credits, but oh, it doesn't lag. So now I'm going to move these into a Canva presentation so that we can just whip. Oh, hold on, it's going to lag. There we go. So we're going to just turn these into a Canva presentation, record this, upload it to Wistia, give it to Claude. Claude can now embed it with a nice video sales letter, and then we can embed it online, and then it's a nice one-page dialed in sales funnel with a nice VSL, all updated within about an hour, give or take. Give or take. So that is the goal. So right now, we're just going to take these. Oh, he wants me to get on camera. Also, we can't guarantee some of the text kind of thing. So some of these, much better. Okay, so this is good enough. Okay. Which one is the first slide here? Can you put together all the new slides and scripts together in just one go for me? There you go. There's like a lot of tabs going on, so I'm like, hey, can you organize? That's the first slide. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to copy each of these one at a time, drop them into Canva. Here, if you guys really want to see, because I want to show you guys all the sauce, all the secret sauce. Okay, we're going to update that. We definitely need him. Cool. Right click, copy. There's a lot of text on it, but I don't care. We're going to clean up some of this actually. Copy. Sure, this part is manual, but man, the quality of these slides, like, way better. Way better. That's why it's like, cancel gamma. Don't need any gamma. Perfect. Sure, copy. I have a better image. Not happy with that image. I have a better one. I just have to find it. Oh. Oh, I like these. I like these. Copy. Right. Before, you're working 70 hours a week, doing everything manually in your business. You're overwhelmed, you're tired, you're burnt out. On the right-hand side, you're automated because the business runs itself, and you have AI agents doing your work for you, and you get more work done in a day than most do a week. I like that transition. That's a cool one. We definitely need a picture about me because I'm the product. Copy. I feel like I have some of these slides. Like these are like some are like really nice. Cause like this is a little overwhelming, but oops. I think I did. I should have just kept this script. This script was really good. What if you automate 50% of your business in just 5 weeks? Are you working 70 hours and still behind? Actually, I like that one better. Boom. Are you working 70 hours and you still feel behind? You're the bottleneck in your business? Well, before da 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 da. Hi, my name is da da da. I went to da 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 da. My goal is to introduce kind of wish we had a better. Yeah, we'll just use this. We're going to clean up this image real quick. It's a little overwhelming, so we're going to go edit, and we're going to go magic erase. And we're just going to do the brush. And we're just going to brush some stuff out real quick. Don't need that. Don't need that. It's a great slide, has all cool information, but it's a little overwhelming. So we are just removing all of the things we don't need. Okay, looks good, looks good. Yep, go ahead and erase. Watch this. There we go. Ta-da! See, much better. Much better. We'll help you save 10 to 20 hours a week, help you automate your marketing, and automate your sales using AI and automation. But we don't know where. We need to help you. So that here's 3 ways to get started. You can get the free toolkit listed down below. Get started, watch free training. You could book a one-on-one strategy call right now, or you could join the community. We have classes and courses, and you can learn on your own pace. So that's there. Perfect. 30-day guarantee. And then this. Do they have anything else after this? Okay, we're just going to go with this. Delete this. Simple. Download this as the slides. We'll have ChatGPT give us a script. Now we're going to upload this. Perfect. This is the final slides. I want you to give me the script for each of the slides to say on camera. Please wait for it to upload. Come on, you got this, Cloud. Take the file. How much do you spend on AI in a month? A couple hundred. It's not a mortgage. It's a car payment. But I also teach and consult, so I have to know what are the best tools. Also, when members are like, how do I automate? Also have to show how to use the best tools in the best way. So do have a lot of subscriptions, but you don't need a lot of subscriptions. You honestly need ChatGPT is great, but he's going to hallucinate. But for $20, you can't beat it. I'd recommend GenSpark as your first app. That's what this guy is GenSpark. GenSpark is the goat. Just wow, just creates documents, creates reports, but don't use them as a daily driver. Use them for big projects like this. This is a big project. I need to get this done, and so Claude is going to help get this project done really fast. So that is why right now he's just kind of going through the slides, and then he's going to give me a script. I'm going to read the script. We're going to edit. We have an AI video editor. So it's more like you're going to have a team of AI agents that are going to do your work. Jamie, good to see you. And these AI agents are going to write your documents, create your websites, because the website's already done. That's done. That's nice. So we kind of have to, we do need a mock-up for it. And we kind of do need an image for the mock-up, basically. I do need to create that, but I'll create that in a moment. Right now, it's just scripts. I'm not even going to memorize the script. There's no need. Whoop, hold on. Okay. Nice. Standing desk. Highly recommend get a standing desk. I need some light. Let me get all this. Francis is like, yo, this dude moves at another level. Welcome, Francis. I live stream every day. I just kind of share the stuff that I do, and I just want to help you guys get ahead. If you have questions on any stuff, I know we're going to book some time one-on-one. Also make it easy for other people to book one-on-one with me. I have a light. Let me turn on. So, just getting a studio light. Okay. There we go. A little better. Hold on. There we go. So nice, little brighter, a little bright. So, because now, okay, so this works. So now, Claude gave me the script. I'm going to put the script right here. Canva's right here. We need to record this microphone. Get the nice microphone. Just record, present, next. We'll use that one, allow. Yes, use this one, allow, toast, toast, toast. Automate, make it easy. Toast, toast, toast. Test 1 2 1 2 test. Test 1 2 1 2 test. Should be pretty good. Oh, AI is such a cheat code right now. Such a cheat code. Okay, let me look a little presentable, kind of. Okay, so stretch this out a little. Cool. And now I'm just going to read the script. And right now it's recording. It doesn't matter if I mess up, which is nice. I just have to read slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. Okay. Oh, I can't kind of just show myself, can I? That's not something you could do. Well, I'll probably record that after. Quick question. Are you working 50, 60, maybe 70 hours a week, but your leads, but your business is not growing? But everything is manually done in your business. Everything in your business is manual. Quick question. Quick question. Are you working 50, 60, maybe even... Quick question. Are you working 50, 60, maybe 70 hours a week doing everything manually in your business? You're manually following up with every lead. You're creating all your content yourself every single day. And you're watching your competitors somehow scale faster while you're drowning in the day-to-day work. So if you're nodding right now, this is for you. Because what I'm going to show you is how entrepreneurs are using AI to save 10 to 20 hours per week and automate their marketing and sales to get more leads and close more deals. And the best part, there's no... yeah, that works. Close enough. Look, I get it. Look, I get it. You're burnt out, you're overwhelmed, and you're still grinding. Hmm? You're up late creating content at midnight. You're answering customer questions at 10 p.m. on a Saturday. You're the bottleneck in your business. Meanwhile, right now, today, you've got an AI powered Meanwhile, right now, today, your AI powered competitors are automating their leads, automating their content, generating, having AI agents, having AI agents manage the follow up, and automating their entire content with the press of a button. No. And they're closing deals while you're still stuck doing the busy work. And every single day, they're pulling further ahead, and you feel like you're falling farther and farther behind. Hi, I'm Dr. AI, Jonathan Acuna. Hi, I'm Jonathan Acuna. Hi, I'm Jonathan Acuna, also known as Dr. AI. And for 25 years, oh wait, and 25 years ago, I was exactly where you are right now. I was working 70 hours a week, missing family events, watching other businesses somehow do more with less. Then I discovered the fastest way to growing businesses then I discovered the fastest way wait. Then I discovered what was the fastest growing no wait. Yeah. Then I discovered how to use AI to grow my business faster. Then I discovered how to use AI to automate my business to buy back my time and allow me to grow my business faster without having to work extra hours and without having to do everything manually in my business. And so I built multiple systems. And now with this system, okay. And now with these systems, oh, and now with these systems, it buys me back 20 hours every single week of free time that I don't have to spend monotonously doing everything manually in the business. And so I want to give you, a blueprint. No. And you can do the same. And you can do the same even if you've never touched AI before, or if you're not tech savvy, or even, oh wait, even if you've never touched AI, and even if technology scares you. And I'll show you exactly how to automate your marketing, sales, content, and operations. And this isn't a course. This is me one-on-one looking at you, your business, your workflow, your tools, showing you what subscriptions to cut, what tools to use, and giving you templates and resources so that you can reach your monthly income goals faster without a lot of the trial and error, and help you with your marketing too. I guarantee that you'll save 10 to 20 hours every week by automating your marketing and sales. Entrepreneurs that are using my systems and my apps are getting more leads, closing more high ticket sales, and actually have time. And more importantly, they actually have time to grow their business. And actually, they have time to grow their business instead of being stuck working in it. Because let's be honest, you didn't get into business to start another 9-to-5 job. Oh, shoot. Hold on. I said the wrong. I read the wrong script for the wrong slide. So, I'm Dr. AI. Da 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 da. Pause. Okay. Okay, I just have to be on this slide. Okay, so hopefully this works. And then I discovered how to use AI and automation to grow my business faster without having to hire a without having no. Yeah. And then I discovered how to use AI and automation to grow my business faster, effortlessly, without working extra hours and without doing everything manually in my business. And with this system, entrepreneurs are using it to get ahead. Oh, wait. And I want to give you, okay, yeah, and this works out too, here. And this isn't a course. And this isn't a course that you'll never take. This is me looking directly at you and your business and your workflow, showing you what subscriptions to cut, showing you what tools to actually use to get ahead, and giving you proven templates of automations to buy back your time so that you can automate your content, automate your sales, and actually work in your business instead of work and actually work on your business instead of in your business. And the result, I can guarantee that you'll save 10 to 20 hours every single week through this automation. We're going to automate your marketing and your sales, and systematically we're going to grow, and systematically we're going to buy back your time while increasing your productivity. So we're going to help you do more while working less. And entrepreneurs, currently, I have 155 entrepreneurs that are using these systems in their businesses to get more leads, close more high ticket deals, and actually have time to grow their business instead of being stuck in it. That was way more better. Got it. Right here. So here's what I want you to do right now. Path number 1 is completely free. Get my AI marketing and sales toolkit, watch my free YouTube videos, and learn training for free from you. And I'll send you free YouTube videos directly to your email. These are the exact tools and workflows that I use with my paying clients, and you'll get 5 AI tools with setup tutorials and automations that you could build this week, all using... Okay. And these are real examples from real businesses like you. Completely free, no credit card, enter email, and just grab it. Path number 2, for $97, book a 1-hour strategy call with me personally. We'll build a custom AI roadmap and I'll show you exactly how you can get more leads, get more sales, automate your content specifically for your business. I'll show you what AI tools you need to be using and what subscriptions you need to cut so that you can save money. You'll walk away with a step-by-step action plan, knowing exactly what to do next. Or path number 3, for $97 a month, you could join my Empire Academy. You'll get weekly live workshops where we build automations together with live classes, 30 plus courses on the best AI tools, on-demand, instant access, and a private community of 155 entrepreneurs doing the exact same thing, learning these secrets and then implementing these AI and automation tools in their business. And you get monthly office hours where you can ask me anything you want. And listen, I guarantee you'll build your first working automation in 30 days, or you get your, and listen, I guarantee you'll build your first working automation in 30 days, or you get every penny back. No questions asked, no risk. Oh, shoot, I forgot this part, actually right here, this part. And listen, okay. I guarantee you'll build your first working automation in 30 days, or I do it for you in my one-on-one coaching program, and you'll get every penny back, no questions asked, no risk. Click the link down below to get started. I look forward to meeting you. Click the link down below. Click the link down below to book a one-on-one call with me, and I look forward to meeting you. No. Click the link down below. Click the link down below and book a one-on-one call with me, and I look forward to showing you how AI and automation can buy you time back, can help automate your business. Yeah. So click the link down below. I would love to work one-on-one with you and show you exactly how to leverage AI and automation to get ahead. I'll see you soon. Yay. Close enough. Close enough. That was like, oh, that's the cool thing about the video sales letters is like you can mess up as many times as you want. AI is going to clean up all of my mistakes. So I don't even have to do video editing. Like, I'm going to show you how I edit videos using AI. So bear with me. It's like, this is great. This is the workflow of like, if you're going to do video sales letters, if you have a website and your website's not getting clicks or leads or sales, and you just have photos on there and just text, add a video sales letter, one landing page, send all of your traffic to that one landing page that has one button, one video sales letter. Using Nano Banana Pro for the images, for the slides, GenSpark did the script. I didn't write the script. I didn't create the slides. AI is going to edit for me. So these are the tools that you could use in your business today to, like, this is how we're just automating, like GenSpark, Canva, Nano Banana Pro, Claude Code. Claude's done with the website. He's like, hey, I'm waiting for the videos so I can push this to the web and we will be good. And this new thing will be up on the website, will be updated and will be good. I'll be happy. So thank you guys so much for watching. And this is how people are using AI vibe coding. You only need 4 tools. Like it's like ChatGPT, GenSpark, Claude, Google Gemini, which you haven't seen me use. All of that is there. So while he's working on this, let's switch to another magic trick and automate some content. Let's publish some videos. So this is an app that's completely vibe coded using Google Claude Code. And so all we have to do, I need to go.
So you know how everyone's freaking out about AI taking their job.
Let's see if we can get scripts for content. I think this is it. Speech therapist. Oh, there we go. Hold on. There we go. Speech therapist. Good to see you. Thank you for the share. I appreciate that. These are not the AI tools. Random projects. I kind of wish I had. We'll just create a new one. I want you to output about 600. Oh wait, hold on. 600 character. There's a previous conversation I'm looking for, so that's why I'm like, it already has like a custom prompt already in it. Script. I think this is it. Okay. No, maybe not. It's like, dang it. We're just going to create a new one. And here. Okay, knowing my ideal client, I want you to give me 40. Knowing my ideal client, I want you, especially from the most recent previous conversation, I want you to give me 3 600 character, about 700 character content with hooks, call to action. Call to action is always the word guide. For my ideal client that talks about the pain point of falling behind with AI, losing their job to AI, not growing their business to AI, and so not having AI skills and falling farther behind, doing everything manually in their business, burnt out, overwhelmed, and then the call to action to book a call with the doctor. Seriously, to book a one-on-one session, get the help now. Okay, so this is going to generate the content ideas for us. It already knows everything about our business, who our ideal clients are, And so I could fetch articles for like content, but that would be like a waste of time. Like, who cares about AI updates of the week? Here, we're going to just create some content here, and we're going to rip this through our content automation app. Okay, I'm just going to take this piece of content. We have the AI automation app. Oops. Sorry for the switching. There you go. That way you guys can see. And move this over here. Cool. So now this is the content automation app. It's completely vibe coded, and it will create AI avatar content like this. So we're going to test it out. We also have made some updates to, oh, did we put, okay, it's auto mode too. So it's going to work automatically to now generate the Sora 2 prompts, generate the text, generate the script. Now it's generating the voice. It's working on it. We should time this. Okay, 6:16 p.m. is when we started this automation. We piped in an idea. Nook, no hands. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm creating a piece of content, but I'm not doing anything. You're not seeing me read the article. You're not seeing me write the article. You're not seeing me do any of that. Where are we? Where'd he go? Okay, right now it's creating the B-roll video. Speaking of, do I have this thing default to... I am updating my business profile in here because this works for any business. So I'm updating the details about my business profile so that it knows how to basically write content, write my call to action, what's your niche, what products or services do you sell. Actually, consulting. And AI classes. Courses, live classes, and I don't want to say tech support, but like instant support. Okay, we'll just put something like that in there. Save my business profile. Business profile saved. How's our content doing? I think it's just generating B-roll right now. Yep. There it is. Okay, so he's still working. Right now he's already generated the script. He's generated the voice. He's generated my avatar.
Are you worried AI is going to take your job? Well, you might be looking at it wrong. Your competitors are already using AI to get things done way faster than you. While you're stuck doing things manually, they're letting AI agents handle emails, editing, and planning. This means they're growing their business and making more money, all while actually working less. It's not really about AI replacing you. It's about someone who uses AI replacing you. If you don't adapt, the gap is getting bigger every day you wait. So stop watching and start doing. Ready to catch up and even get ahead. Click the link in bio to book a session and get your personalized AI strategy. Let's make you work smarter, not harder.
Did he just hard sell for me? Thank you, AI employee. I actually got to drink a water, take a break, relax. My AI employee putting this sucker to work. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. So now it's going through and it's just generating the avatar. Needs a little bit faster. I totally agree. We can speed up the... I want you to speed up the fish.audio voice a little faster. We'll just see whatever he puts it up as. See, your feedback goes to update this, and when it goes up to update, everyone updates. everyone get the latest update. So now he's just generating B-roll with Kai. You could change outfits, different avatars. Eventually we'll have like a catalog where you could load different avatars and select different ones and they could switch out so it's not the same. So got a lot of big plans for this app. And then it's scheduled to publish on all social media apps, which is super nice. So he's working in the background. Our video's ready. Now we need to hire our AI video editor. Yes, AI video editor. And once this is done downloading, it's just almost downloading. So here's an app, Gling. There we go. This Gling. This is Gling. It's your AI video editor. $20 a month. He'll edit all your videos. That way you don't have to. So we're just kind of waiting for this to finish downloading. And then we can load it in. Oh, we gave the edit to the wrong guy. Sorry. This guy. I want you to update the fish.audio to make the voice speed a little faster. There we go. Now he's gonna. I talked to the wrong VS Code, which had the different Claude, and so the other Claude was like, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have that in my project. So that will update. This is downloading. Perfect. We're going to edit with AI. It's going to remove the filler words, remove the ums, remove all the mistakes, clip it all together, and now it's editing. This is video editing. No more CapCut, no more Adobe PowerPoint, stuff like that. That is one of the big things. Very, very nice. Hope you guys are doing well. We're almost done. This is the easy part. Because once we finish editing, we'll upload, give it to Claude, and then we'll push it to the web, and then the website will be done. And then, by the way, don't forget, while my AI agent is video editing, this AI agent is creating content. So I'm editing a video and creating content while talking to you, and there's no hands. No hands. I'm just giving commands. See how AI agents will get you so far ahead? So he's working on that. This guy is working there, so we're just kind of chilling. Some people notice my Tony Robbins background. If you know, you know. That's what you're... Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. Eventually, you're going to have a ton of AI agents that are just tabs away, just working on what you need. So now, I mean, that's the most of with AI agents. You're just waiting for them to do the work. That's a lot of it, is like just killing time, just waiting for them to like, are you done yet? Are you done yet? Like, did you finish yet? Did you finish? They're like, no, not done yet. Sent you my GitHub. Nice. Let me go to my GitHub. Because you guys, and then how's this? Oh, our AI, oh, there we go. Our AI video editor is almost done. Okay, cool. So Now we're just going to finish the last of the editing of the video. Look at the bottom. See how he did all the edits already? He already did 263 edits to this video. 263 actions I didn't have to do. So now we're just going to go through the script real quick, just QA it.
Quick question. Are you working 50, 60, maybe 70 hours a week doing everything manually in your business, manually following up with every lead? You're creating all your content yourself every single day. You're watching your competitors somehow scale faster while you're drowning in the day-to-day work. But if you're nodding right now, this is for you. Because what I'm going to show you is how entrepreneurs are using AI to save 10 to 20 hours per week and automate their marketing and sales to get more leads and close more deals. The best part, there's no, yeah, that works. Close enough. Look, I get
delete this.
Look, I get it. You're burnt out, you're overwhelmed, and you're still grinding. Up late creating content at midnight, you're answering customer questions at 10 p.m. on a Saturday. You're the bottleneck in your business. Meanwhile, right now, today, your AI-powered competitors are automating their entire content with the press of a button. And they're closing deals while you're still stuck. No, and they're closing deals while
deleting.
And they're closing deals while you're still stuck doing the busy work. Every single day, they're pulling further ahead, and you feel like you're falling farther and farther behind. Hi, I'm Jonathan Ikinu, also known as Dr. AI. And 25 years ago, I was exactly where you are right now. I was working 70 hours a week, missing family events, watching other businesses somehow do more with less. I discovered how to use AI to
just going through cleaning up the script.
And allow me to grow my business faster without having to do everything manually in my business. And so I built multiple systems. And now with the systems, it buys me back 20 hours every single week of free time that I don't have to spend monotonously doing everything manually in the business. And so I want to give you a blueprint. And you can do, if you've never touched AI before, or if you're not tech savvy, or even if you've never, and you can do the same, even if you've never touched AI before, or if you're not tech savvy, or even if you've never touched AI. Even if you've never touched AI, and even if technology scares you. And I'll show you exactly how to automate your marketing, sales, content. And this isn't a course. This is me. This isn't a course. This is me one-on-one looking at you, your business, your workflow, your tools, showing you what subscriptions to cut, what tools to use, and giving you templates and resources so that you can reach your monthly income goals faster without a lot of trial and error, and help you with your marketing too. I guarantee that you'll save 10 to 20 hours every week by automating your marketing and sales. Entrepreneurs that are using my systems and my apps are getting more leads, closing more high-ticket sales, and actually have time. And actually, they have time. And actually, they have time to grow their business instead of being stuck working in it. Let's be honest, you didn't get into business to start another 9-to-5 job. Shoot.
I think that's one part. I'm about to push a ton of businesses buying content with my HeyGen guy. Oh, it's going to be gangster. Hold on. Let me give you the thing right now. Hold on 1 second. There we go. And then let me go to GitHub. Go to settings. Add Tom as a contributor, because then you get the source code. Here. Oh, I need to add my password. Collaborators, add, and is that your GitHub? Yeah, it is. Okay, you're good. So then let me share the link with you. I think that's it. Okay, so then give this to Claude Code and say Claude install. Okay, you may have to do like a manual terminal command, because Claude will be lazy. Claude would be like, I can't do it, I'm lazy. It's like, no, Claude. Run the terminal command that will download this GitHub repo, because you have, Tom, you're on the contributing list for that GitHub repo. So you have access. Just a GitHub install. Once you download it, well, I'll make a tutorial, but basically go to the .env file. That's where all your passwords are. Look at the .env file and just go sign up for all those accounts. It's like for all the APIs. There's like 8 of them. But once you sign up for all of them, then you're good to go to run a test. You could customize the profile, just say run server. I'm gonna have a tutorial more of like how to like set it up and stuff like that. So little by little, nice. And then what you guys are seeing me do here is edit my video using AI, where you haven't seen me touch the timeline. He's just editing, but I noticed this is when we kind of messed up on one of the script parts right here. Natalie follows. Why? Oh, Nate. Welcome, Nate. So we're using AI to create content. We're using AI to automate video editing. We're using AI to vibe code, build websites. How many videos are you pushing each day? I'm trying to get at least three. 3 to 6 would be great. The max is like 15 on TikTok if you want to get super nerdy. Everyone else can do like 50 videos or 50 posts, like technically. You could post to multiple social media channels multiple times a day. It links to all your social media accounts, basically. It's like 150 to run a month, give or take. But with that, you could pump out like 90 to 500 videos. You could post to every channel, every social media channel, those two included, all of them, all the channels. Push to all the channels. Okay, so let me just kind of finish.
And then I discovered how.
Let's see.
And then I discovered how to use AI and automation to grow my business faster, effortlessly, without working extra hours, and without doing everything manually in my business. And with the system, entrepreneurs are using it to get ahead. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
And I want to give you, okay, yeah, and this works out too up here. This isn't a course that you'll never.
Okay, perfect. So discovered, and then I discovered. And then I discovered. Yeah, here. This all needs to be edited out. That way it goes from here.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Acuna, also known as Dr. AI. And 25 years ago, I was exactly where you are right now. I was working 70 hours a week, and then I discovered how to use AI and automation to grow.
Close. A little better.
And then I discovered how to use AI and automation to grow my business faster, effortlessly, without.
You're asking Tom. Sorry, Tom. I see your comment right now. I will answer that.
And 25 years ago, I was exactly where you are right now. I was working 70 hours a week, missing family events, watching other businesses somehow do more with less. Then I discovered how.
Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Just tweaking. I recorded one slide versus the other. Oops. Okay, that'll work. Tom, you're saying, are you switching between two different avatars or just one avatar? I have just one avatar in there that's doing this content. So I have just one, but you can set them up. Like you can load, I don't want to say unlimited, but I have like 5 different avatars and I'm not paying anything extra. So you can create like 5 different avatars. They're all just an ID number and you can upgrade it to that. That would be an upgrade later on. But you could switch out the models or the outfits. It's just a Nano Banana image basically. That's all. That's all. Just a Nano Banana.
Effortlessly, without working extra hours, and without doing everything manually in my business. And with the system, entrepreneurs are using it to get ahead. And this isn't a course that you'll never take. This is me looking directly at you and your business and your workflow, showing you what subscriptions to cut, showing you what tools to actually use to get ahead, and giving you proven templates of automations to buy back your time so that you can automate your content, automate your sales, and actually.
He's like, you're awesome. Oh, the content automation machine is the creme de la creme. It's what we've all, like, this is the best of what AI and automation has to hold of, like, I remember your first video and like that's what we were trying to get. The technology just wasn't there when you were doing your video, Tom, and we were doing we did HeyGen like around February of last year was when we started it. Now we have the same HeyGen, but now the whole content piece is automated. Insert idea, output 40-second videos with the click of a button. They'll cost about 60 cents each to produce, which nothing. And it works for any industry. You could create any avatar. It writes marketing script for top, middle, bottom of funnel. It posts to 50 social media accounts if you really want to get crazy. Like with the system, you could publish to 50 different social media accounts. Like it's and the goal is so that you could publish 3 times a day, every day, completely automatically. So the concept is you spend maybe a Sunday, load up your content, just kind of click run and just let it produce the content. And then if you're happy with them, you're like, cool, let me schedule this for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, click run. We're going to have the scheduling automated as well. So you're not even going to do the scheduling. You're going to set the times that you want this thing to post: 9 a.m., 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. every single day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever you want. And it will automatically do the scheduling. Scheduling it on, no need for GHL. No need. It's it's so gangster. Like this thing is, it eliminates. You don't need Go High Level. Well, this Go High Level is like CRM, but you could vibe code Go High Level replicating something different. How is he doing? He's still working on. Let me check him out to see how he's doing. Hey, Claude. Hey Claude, check out how's the APIs doing. Check the logs. It's been doing the B-roll for quite some time, so I think we need to fix that. I think there was a bug that needs to be fixed, especially since we chose different video models for that. So maybe something with the prompt or the models or the JSON parameters. Cool. So still, it's not perfect. Still little bugs, but it's only 1 week old. So for 1 week old baby. Now here, let's finish this.
Work on your business instead of in your business. Result, I can guarantee that you'll save 10 to 20 hours every single week through this automation. We're going to automate your marketing and your sales, and systematically we're going to buy back your time while increasing your productivity. So we're going to help you do more while working less. Entrepreneurs, currently I have 100.
Almost done with this.
So we're going to help you do more while working less. Currently, I have 155 entrepreneurs that are using these systems in their businesses to get more leads, close more high-ticket deals, and actually have time to grow their business instead of being stuck in it. Way more better. Got it. Here's what I want you to do right now. Path number 1 is completely free. Get my AI marketing and sales toolkit, watch my free YouTube videos, and learn training for free and I'll send you free YouTube videos. And I'll send you free YouTube videos directly to your email. So the exact tools and workflows that I use with my paying clients, and you'll get 5 AI tools with setup tutorials and automations that you could build this week, all using, and these are real examples from real businesses like you. Completely free, no credit card, enter email, and just grab it. Path number 2, for $97, book a 1-hour strategy call with me personally. We'll build a custom AI roadmap and I'll show you exactly how you can get more leads. And I'll show you exactly how you can get more leads, get more sales, automate your content specifically for your business. I'll show you what AI tools you need to be using and what subscriptions you need to cut so that you can save money. You'll walk away with a step-by-step action plan, knowing exactly what to do next. Or path number 3, for $97 a month, you could join my Empire Academy. You'll get weekly live workshops where we build automations together with live classes, 30 plus courses on the best.
Close.
30 plus courses on the best AI tools, on-demand, instant access, and a private community of 155 entrepreneurs doing the exact same thing, learning these secrets and then implementing these AI and automation tools in their business. And you get monthly office hours where you can ask me anything you want. Okay. I guarantee you'll build your first working automation in 30 days, or I do it for you in my one-on-one coaching program, and you'll get every penny back. Or you'll get every penny back, no questions asked, no risk. So click the link down below.
Almost done.
So click the link down below. I would love to work one-on-one with you, show you exactly how to leverage AI and automation to get ahead. I'll see you soon.
Okay. Done. Export. What is that? A about, let's round up, 4-minute video sales letter. Not bad. Not the. So this is one-on-one consulting VSL. Okay, so that is Gling for video editing, so that you don't have to edit in CapCut, you don't have to edit in Adobe Premiere, you have to sit there and like cut and like clip, and like video editing is a nightmare. Trust me, I hate it. Gling is $20 a month, gets you like 10 hours of video recording to edit. That's more than enough, actually. Like, unless you're like me producing a ton of content, then I'm on $40 a month and I'm producing multiple YouTube videos, all of that as well too. So the main thing is I record one video in one take. There we go. I hope it's not lagging. There we go. Okay. So I record one video in one take with all the mistakes. If I make a mistake, I just pause and then I try and say it again, because I know the AI editor will clean it. Dr. AI, is Content Automation Machine part of Claude Code? No, it's not part of the Claude Code course. The Claude Code course teaches you how to do Claude Code. But if you're in the community, if you're like in the actual $97 a month community, just send me a direct message. I'll give you access to the GitHub repo, just like what Tom I just did, and you could download the repo, and I'll give you instructions on how to hook up the API keys. And then there's no subscription, like there's no you open source software. Well, I mean, we'll see how long it stays open source, because this is like pretty damn valuable, especially when it comes to like automating your entire content. Like everyone has to create content manually. This allows you to create content automatically. So he's working on that. My computer is about to explode because he is. Monica, I see your message. Excellent. Let me close some stuff just to get some more resources. We're almost done. So here, okay, he's fixing right now the API key for the models. So right now we added new models to actually drop the cost by 50 cents or 50%. Just dropped in, yep, drop it in the Claude, give the URL to him. He's gonna be lazy and be like, I can't download it because it's not public. And it's like, he's gonna just say, give me the terminal command to run, and he'll run it, because he'll run a straight terminal command, and he has your GitHub login. And as long as you've been like backing up stuff on, or like GitHubbing on whatever VS Code account, he'll use that as like your login. And you should be able to. So if not, let me know, because you'll need that. Yeah, he was so lazy. I had to give him the zip. That's fine. Because once you have it, like, because you could pull updates going forward in the future from that. So if I do an update, which I'm planning on weekly, you'll just, hey Claude, check this GitHub for updates, and he'll do it. He really is lazy for his, like, he's like, bro, like he's been trying to be like gaslight, not do the work, and it's like, bro, no. Okay, so that's done, that's done. Okay, so our video is done editing. We're almost done. Okay, I'll explain what this is. This is Wistia. This allows you to upload any video, and you can embed it on your website for free. So this upload, yeah, pick this folder. Perfect. So this is, so free video uploads, you can only upload 10-minute or 10 videos, but they could be like an hour, 2 hours, 5 minutes. There's no minimum on length, and it's free video hosting, embeds on your website. Looks more professional than having like a YouTube video on your website. Tom says, do I have to give him the scripts to the videos to make the B-rolls and everything? Nope, all packaged. He has the scripts, the prompts. You just input the content, really, like a URL or like a block of text, and he will write in your brand voice. You may have to tailor the prompts in the settings. Definitely, once you download and install him, go to the settings. Well, your stage one, which is just setting up the environment. So Claude has to download some like software to your Mac to like run the program. And then from there, once he's downloaded all the stuff, he's like, okay, I'm ready to go. You just say run server, and that opens up the website terminal. And then from there, well, you're hooking up your API keys too. All your API keys, just they're all in the .env file. I'm going to make a tutorial video for some of this too, because people want it. It is hot, fresh off the presses. People don't want to create content in 2026, and this app is only going to get better. This is the first version of it. We're almost done with this. This will give us a piece of code that we could give to Claude. Claude could finish the website. We could post the website. It's like super easy, copy paste. And then the website will be done. Video sales letter will be done. The app and automation, he's right now just fixing, there's always little bugs. So he's just fixing some bugs for the video. He's fixing the prompt. He knows me. He says, do I need to make you a quick start guide? Yes. Guide me through setting this up. The most you'll do is like getting the API keys, really, and just setting up the accounts for all the API services. And you just go into the .env file and they're all right there. Never share your .env file, best practice. That's where all your API keys. So keep that a secret. Claude right now is fixing some of the models. He's doing all these because yeah, so that you could select different video models and everything. Because Sora was pretty expensive, not gonna lie. That was a pretty expensive. I only spent like 14 bucks. I didn't spend that much, but 14 bucks in API fees is like a lot. It's like, Jesus, would you in a day? Like, oh, so we had to drop the cost. So we are optimizing the models. Okay, server root cause the model ID was wrong. Da 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 da. Kai da 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 da. To rerun da da, you'll need to reset it to avatar done and start it again. Okay, so record 27. Record 27. Avatar done. Can I switch over to manual mode? Oh, refresh. That would probably help. And avatar done. And create the B-rolls. Okay. So right now we're just kind of regenerating with the new B-roll. Check the log. I just made an API request, so let me know how they're doing. So we get Claude in there to be like, yo, check those logs. He's working. WizT is done. So now we're just going to do one quick edit to this. I'm not going to add a thumbnail or anything, just to keep it simple. And I'm going to leave it a green button. Because the yellow button is a little hard to see. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not even going to change anything. And now I give this code to Claude. I want you to update the website. Here is the video to embed on the homepage. Excellent. So now if we see this, this is going to change with no hands. Look, no hands. I don't want to do the work. Don't make me do the work. I'm not doing the work. Ta-da! And there's the video.
Quick question. Are you working 50, 60, maybe 70 hours a week?
Oh, he's refreshing. Sorry. He's not done yet. He's like, I'm working, buddy. What are you doing looking at my work? I haven't finished yet. Okay, now he's finished.
Quick question. Are you working 50, 60, maybe 70 hours a week doing everything manually in your business? You're manually following up with every lead. You're creating all your content yourself every single day. And you're...
Can we add captions? Because I do find people like captions, which will be great. Call to action, chapters, maybe, maybe not. Captions on by default. Save.
Quick question. Are you working 50, 60, maybe 70 hours a week
Way better.
doing everything manually in your business? You're manually following...
Captions, I hate it, but captions actually do help and increase conversion and watch time. It's a little thing. Okay, I'm happy with that. That's done. The website's done. The website is officially done. We're now going to post it to the web because that URL is not the web. So it's now going to go live, because if you go to my website right now, this is what you see. Cool. So this is what you see. This is my website right now. We're going to change that right now. Claude has finished the website. Click HTML file. It's just code. That's all it is. So we're going to go to SiteGround. Hostinger site. Oh, hold on. I got to wait for it to lag. Okay. Okay, so I'll explain what we're doing right now. Excellent. This is any website hosting site. Really doesn't matter. SiteGround, Hostinger, GoDaddy. I don't know about GoDaddy, but wherever you have your hosting, wherever you're hosting your website, they have a file tree basically. In that file tree, you're going to look for the index file. That's all, just the index file. Double click on it. There's the code. Oops. You're not going to code. Remember, you're not coding. I zoomed in too much. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Index HTML. You're not writing code. Don't worry. You can select all, delete. Don't freak out. It's just text. Go to Claude. That's where you built your website. Command A, select all. Command C, copy. Right-click, copy. And paste. There's the text. There's all the code. I'm not writing any code. I'm not looking at code. Command S to save for sound. Command Sam for save. It's now saved. Okay, cool. So that's it. So now we just kind of give a little reset. And now, incognito mode. Do you think it's going to load? Do you think it's going to load? Go to my website. Ready? Is it going to load the new site? Bam. You can now go to my website. Simple Text Skills. And there's the now website. So now what we changed is we have a new video sales letter.
Quick question. Are you working 50, 60, maybe 70 hours a week doing everything manually in your business?
We have a link to book a one-on-one session with me right at the top of the fold. Boom. Because actually 90% that's what people want. They just want to book a one-on-one session with me. And they're like, hey, can you look at my business? Can you help me troubleshoot? Can you help me build something? Can you help me get more leads, get more sales, automate my business? And I'm like, yeah, do this. And then a little lead magnet right here. Ooh, we do need to fix the we do have to fix this. Claude, we do have to fix some stuff. And then we do need an image for that. So yeah, I think of images. I want to reuse something. I could reuse one of the ooh. I'll just use the transformation. I really want to mock up. Hold on. I gotta go to GenSpark. This is gonna, sorry. I'm very particular. Let's say generate the thumbnail. And looking for GenSpark. I want you to create me a square, so a 1080 by 1080 image of a mock-up of They get a couple workbook guides, a book on prompts, a book on AI tools, AI cheat sheets, and then do a mock-up for custom videos for on the computer. So do all that with black and gold using Nano Banana. Do you have a database, or is it just a static site? It's just a static site. Super simple. Nothing. You don't need a database for a website. Everything is just traffic, or a website to send traffic to then convert into leads and sales. Because most of it really is you're spending most of your time, honestly, like generating more content. By the way, our content machine, he's finished. Okay, now we're gonna edit the video. So now he's been working behind the scene, generating a piece of content. He's almost done. This is like the Thanos rings. He's assembling all the 7 elements to create one piece of video. The lucky 7. The script, the avatar, the B-roll, the thumbnail, the SEO, editing, voice. All of those things go into, you have to do that every single time for every single video. And now you don't have to do it anymore. Now it becomes you press a button and things just happen. Yeah, that's good enough. It's good enough right now. I don't care about perfection right now. Now I'm just gonna put these in. I would prefer like a mock-up that looks something like this. Yeah, I want something like these. Like, it's a little too much. That's a nice one, but there's no more CDs anymore. Oh, that's a great one. Oh, that's a really great one. Like this. With one of the box as AI digital avatars or AI digital clone. One is AI business secrets. Put my face in the middle. On the left hand side, put 1,000 AI business prompts. On the right hand side, put top 10 AI business tools. On the left hand side, do AI content automation, specifically for my brand of business. Let me get my headshot. Because if you're going to make a lead magnet, make it look interesting. Like that, let's be honest. That's boring. That's like, meh, that looks stock. Like that doesn't make me go, I want that. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme, gimme, gimme. That doesn't make me say gimme, gimme, gimme. I want gimme, gimme, gimme. You enter your email, you get all of this free stuff. We'll do the email sequence later in the email automation. We're almost done. We're almost done. Live stream 2.5 hours was not the main plan, but we needed to update the website, create some content. Oh, our content's done, by the way. It should be. Composites. May need to fix the editing. I think the editing's broken, so let me fix the editing for there. Can you look at the compositing for editing and ShotStack, what needs to change, especially since we changed all the videos and the times and the outputs as well too. So check that and then check the queue and the log for the error right now. Okay, he's working on that. We're gonna fix this. Oh yeah, look at all these. It's pretty much whatever the bullet point he was using. And then lose this part at the bottom. Okay, so also that's the content. This is the website. I think it's something to do with the check marks as well too. And then in your image folder is a folder called leadmagnet.png. Use that as the image next to the lead magnet. Okay. Oh, shoot. It really doesn't matter. It's okay. Because we're going to get... GenSpark hasn't really created the image yet. Close, 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 close. Can you make the image in just the background on the TV, like something nice, professional, just on the background, especially just put like AI business secrets in the computer in the center with a nice background with headshot? Okay, Rufus is like, this is awesome. Awesome. Awesome sauce. We're basically doing a rebrand. Francis, I promise I will call you back. We're almost done. We're like 15 minutes, less than 10 minutes, and we're done. And I will give you a call right after this. And for everyone else, if you guys want to book a one-on-one, the website is up now. You can now book a one-on-one session with me, and I could do a lot of this for your business. And you don't have to be tech savvy. Isn't that amazing? You are fine, no worries. Nice. We are cooking. We are cooking tonight. Okay. I don't know about the purple. Can you make the background? You know, I'm gonna take it. That's okay. Yeah. That looks a little more nicer. It's like, that's a little better. Okay, so that's a little better. We're gonna download that. We're gonna move this in our folder with images. Oh. VS Code. Lead magnet to images. Okay, so now I think Claude is good to go. Close some of these. Lead magnet has not refreshed. Oh, it is the old one. Sorry, dealing with images. Okay, now we got the right image. I don't like the white, but it's going to be whatever for right now. So now, let's take a look at the website, see how that looks. Okay. He's working on a bug there. Okay, just double check. I want you to add an image in your folder images called lead magnet and add that to where the lead magnet form is. Now he's going to do images. Fixes have been applied. Okay. Okay, so we could go back to our content guy. Ooh, nice. He says everything's kind of fixed. So now he's kind of, you need a HeyGen. Oh, really? That's a really good question, Tom. Really excellent question. This applies to HeyGen and also Fish.audio. Let's see if there's any others, but just those two. Fish.audio and HeyGen do not get the monthly subscription. It's just like OpenAI. You have the subscription, which is the front end you access from the browser, and then there's the API, separate account, and you pay per usage or you pay. It's kind of annoying. Fish.audio, you pay per usage, just fund it with like $5 basically, and then for HeyGen, you do have to buy the $99 a month subscription to HeyGen on the API service, and then that's going to give you 100 credits, and every video is zero point 0.2 credits. So that means for that $99 a month HeyGen subscription for the API, you could generate 500 videos for that. So hope that makes sense. I know, quick little TLDR. How is he? Just check and see if he can edit things. He is generating B-roll. The B-rolls are kind of getting wild. They're all the same. We gotta change the B-roll. I really gotta fix the B-roll. Okay, check the log. Check the log. I don't think he's doing the editing as well too. And then, do you have the original Sora 2 prompt? If not, get it from my GitHub. We want to use that because right now, for what it is right now, it's just too outrageous and it's doing the same thing over and over again. So let me give you the GitHub with the original prompt, and you can grab that. Okay, so it's $100 a month for HeyGen. What's the full amount so I can load up the first couple months? You're gonna put like $10 in ShotStack. That's for video editing. You're gonna put about $5, $10 for Fish.audio. That's gonna last a while. Cloudinary is free because it's for storage, and that's $25, or that's completely free. Where's my other ones? Open Router, just fund it with like $10. Kai, fund it with $10. I think that's the most of all of them. HeyGen's the only like the biggest thing where it's a subscription. Everyone else is like a pay per usage kind of thing. That's the only thing that's like Try a different approach to get your original output. Oh, request failed, so let me get you the file. Because I think I have the Sora prompts. Models. Utilities, static, where's the services? Those are services. Prompts. Sora 2 generator. Here it is. Here's, thank God for backups. Here's the Sora 2 prompt to add back. Okay, so now he's going to update the Sora 2. He's going to fix that. That's good. The website looks updated. Let's push the website to finish now. And then we're done with the website. That's good enough for now. Much better. I like this. Now I don't like the white, but it is what it is. It's whatever. What is that? Where does that take you? Maybe. We're gonna have to push the thank you page here. Update. Can you update the thank you page for coaching? Thank you. Can you update that with the new TidyCal link to book a strategy call? Update that to have a book a strategy call. So it's the paid link, the new one. And update the thank you page, please. Okay. Close that. Okay. And ShotStack. He says everything should be done. Let's pop this in the oven, see if it finishes. We're almost done. It's the final little tweaks. The final countdown. It's the final countdown. Nice. This guy's going to be testing. I don't see a status update. I pushed the status update for the composite. Nothing's quite happening, so just checking on the status and log to see if it actually pushed to get edited. And then the website is up and done. The thank you page works. Perfect. Okay. Website is officially done. Now I just need to push it to the web and it's officially done. So step one, we add images. That's going to be your image folder. Oh, he actually did work. Nice. He actually is working. So we'll check the video. He's actually finished editing. So we need images. I just need my new image. Copy. Okay, that file, now we're just uploading the images. Perfect. Now we update the copy paste the index. Okay, let's go to VS Code. And we're going to go and get index. Copy. Make sure you copy the right page. Yep. Save, and then let's go to the thank you page. Okay, this is the thank you page, and we're just going to update this. It's just copy pasting. That's all we're doing. All we're doing is copy pasting. Okay, that's the thank you page. Save. And now we just check it out to see if it works. Or did we break everything? Incognito mode. Yep. Okay, so this is on the web. We have our new photo that was vibe coded using Google Gemini. That's more interesting for a free lead magnet. Enter your email and you get all of that stuff. That's way worth it. Okay, cool. So that works. Up, the check marks bug is fixed. Perfect. And then if I test this out, . Takes me to a thank you page where there's a video sales letter, another video sales letter, and then another link to book your one-on-one, but it's a paid link, so no more free links, sorry. And that takes you to a TidyCal to book a one-on-one session. Very nice. And that's it for the website. The website's done. And then if you're in the community, there's still the login button. So don't worry, there's the login button in the upper right hand corner, so you can still log into the community once you're there. And then some of the things down here, we have testimonials, strategy call, the academy, and that. Perfect. A+. Okay, website's done and off the plate. Let's close that, close that, close that. Let's take a look at our content. Perfect. And now we're ready to view our piece of content that has been working behind the scenes. We had to fix a couple bugs behind the scenes because we updated a bunch of stuff.
Are you worried AI is going to take your job? Well, you might be looking at it wrong. Your competitors are already using AI to get things done way faster than you. While you're stuck doing things manually, they're letting AI agents handle emails, editing, and planning.
I'm not
This
happy with
means
the
they're
B-roll.
growing
I'm
their
going to change
business
that.
and making more money, all while actually working less. It's not really about AI replacing you. It's about someone who uses AI replacing you.
That's
If you
so
don't
funny.
adapt, the gap is getting bigger every day
I need to go and regenerate the new image prompts using the new Sora, and then the image prompts will look a lot better. So we'll fix that behind the scenes because the B-roll is a little outrageous, and that can be changed in the settings. So happy with that. But I'm gonna take a break there. That is Vibe Coding with John. We rebuilt the website, made some upgrades to the content automation app. If you are interested in working one-on-one, just join with the new Vibe Coded website. Now has the ability to book a one-on-one with me. There I could give you the blueprints, templates, resources, custom roadmap, show you exactly how to leverage AI automation in your business, and live stream every single day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next live stream. And if you're in the community, tomorrow's office hours, show and tell, networking, troubleshooting, going over what we've the GenSpark stuff, and then I'll talk about this as well too. So if you have Tom, if you come tomorrow or have questions, I can help set it up as well too. And then wake up in the morning, I'm gonna upgrade software, so just ask Claude to get the new update for the software. That way you could get new updates, because I've been doing a lot of updates as we've been talking. And then yeah, I'll see everyone in the community. So cool beans. It's a great night. Good to see everyone. So I'll say good night to everyone. Francis, nice to meet you. I'll talk to you very shortly. Tom, enjoy the automation. There's a couple bugs, Tom, so make sure to wait till the morning and then pull the new update from that GitHub file. Rufus, good to see you. Blessed girl, nice to meet you. Leon, Mark, Mava, blessed girl, and so much more. Awesome. And everyone on YouTube.